What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. We are here in Monticello, Indiana. Picking up a load going down to Murfreesboro, Tennessee, which is going home, so we're happy about that. Yeah, they told me to back in as soon as that other truck came out, and he rolled out, so that's what happened. We're gonna get on the road here in a few. This one, no, it's like 6.5 hours down there in Murfreesboro. He said it's right around 30,000, but he's not real sure. So we'll see how heavy it is when we actually get it. Nice thing is we don't have to deal with the Eagle. We'll go through Indianapolis and then obviously Louisville, deal with the small grade in Elizabethtown and go from there. But we will not be using PC to go home after we unload in Murfreesboro. Figured that one out. Yeah, for now, we're gonna get in the truck because it's freaking cold outside and we're gonna hurry up and wait. Oh, yeah. All right, yeah, whenever we get the paperwork and all that stuff, guys, we'll hit the road. Well, we got about 28,000 in the box. We're gonna go strap it up. Oh, jeez. I've realized that trucking is very lonely. Way too much time to just sit and think to yourself, and yeah. Oh, jeez. Well, look at there. They didn't set the center one, the one in the center. Like, that's, why would you do that? Hey, whatever, it's okay. It's all right, we're gonna strap it up either way, right? Yeah, I was smart and I brought a mount for the camera to sit on. Now I can do a little boogie. Sorry. I'm sorry. I won't do it again. That's quite annoying. Oh, jeez. All right. Don't look at my butt. Stop looking at my butt. Oh, see what I mean about being lonely? These boxes almost look like Budweiser boxes. It's weird. Like it, just a quick glance, it's like Bud Light. That's what I see. All right. Right on. We're good. I bet people that don't realize I have a camera are like, why is this guy talking like this? What in the crackerjacks is going on? So is this pronounced Monticello or Monticello? Anybody know? Indiana. Oh, close. Why was that so difficult? All right. Let's pound some pavement, y'all. Southbound and down, we're gonna run into some nasty storms, I guess. But it'll be all right. Keep trucking. God is good.
Nowadays, when I look back, it's hard to tell right where I'm at. But at least I know where I've been. Grandpa kept the family fed and he worked himself half to death. Grandma took care of him, cooked and cleaned and sewed his clothes for his children, don't you know? To Grandpa, that meant everything. And I remember as a child, Kentucky hills where I grew wild, chasing after rainbows and shadows of my dreams. Nowadays, when I look back, it's hard to tell right where I'm at, but at least I know.
ways out, but not too shabby. Been playing in the rain and a little bit of wind, but it's not nearly as bad as I expected. It's supposed to be pretty nasty down here, but maybe it was earlier today. Hasn't been so far, today at least, but yeah. It's been a smooth ride. Can't really complain. They told me they'll take this thing as soon as I get through, so I'm really hoping that they do, or as soon as I get down here. I've been here before off of this Joe B. Jackson Parkway. Apparently they're putting in the name of the road. Apparently they're gonna put in a Buc-ee's here in Murfreesboro at the Joe B. Jackson Parkway, whatever. Maybe, I don't know. But we got to be out here tomorrow anyways for our daughter's softball training, so we're instead of me trying to fight traffic back through Nashville and all that stuff, I'm probably just gonna stay down here for the night, and then that way the wife doesn't have to come get out and get me super early or late tonight, whatever, and all that. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see what happens. Either way, we still trucking, right? Pounding pavement. This thing says it's 28,000 pounds, but I don't believe it. I don't believe that this thing is that heavy. I mean, the scale's not very heavy. My air gauge isn't very heavy at all, so I don't know. I don't think it's that heavy. It could be, I guess. Well, anyway, we'll get down here a little closer. We've got a few miles to go yet, and I'll touch base with you guys then. I know down here on 24, DOT will sit like right here. You come over this hill, and there'll be 2 or 3 of them sitting right here in the middle. Happens a lot. Maybe they're not there this time, but either way, it happens a lot. We got 2.5 miles to go. I'm excited to get over here and get this thing off and go to the house. Go home. We're actually going like right over there somewhere. Where is it? Not there. No. I know it's right up here. You can see it from the interstate. It's one of these buildings over here to the right. Yep. It's that one right there, maybe. Nope, that one. We're going to that one right there. And I hope they're there. I really do. It's time for some new wipers. And there are no lights on this exit. Wow. I believe my 7-way is giving me an issue. My ground, because I got my right turn signal on. And my left one is starting to flash on the dash. Touch the brakes, they light up as well. I got to reground that. see them in the night or in the dark, but or in the camera, I guess. I know last time I came down here to this place, I went out that way that I just came in, and I sat there at that stop sign with traffic, because I started back about here with a line of traffic, and it took a good 15 minutes to get through there because traffic is so bad on that. Surprised I've never been to the Kenny Pipe and Supply place. I guess that'd be a local A.O. Smith guy would do that. Hopefully this doesn't have to go across town to their other warehouse either. I think receiving is on the other side of the property, but I'm not real sure. So I'm gonna pull up here first and find out what they say, where they want this stuff. And we'll go from there. Find out, I'll get back to you guys here in just a minute. All right. We are going to go over to the receiving side, which apparently is on the other side of the building. I just didn't know that because I've never been over there. Everything I've done has always been over here, even when I would deliver loads here. What? Receiving docks. You can't see that from back there. Although I seen the receiving sign back there near the shipping sign, and it said rear employee parking, so I thought it was like kind of, I don't know, it was weird. So I go around the building. It's a big old puddle. Puddle sharks. Oh, look at that size of that speed bump right there. Oh, we went right over it. Nice. Went around it with the steers. Y'all like the point of view, or do you like the other views better? Like, what do y'all like? Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite camera position so far that I've done? You know, let me know, because some of them I like, some of them I don't like. It's definitely easier for me to do something like this, or just a straight camera versus one facing me, because then I gotta dial them up together, and that makes things difficult. But oh, the speed bumps are unreal here. I got them everywhere. He said dock 24, there should be a man door, and they'll tell me where to go. Not through there, there's not. Oh wait, okay. I see an office right there. I think I'm gonna go around because there's not a dock over here open anyways. So let's keep going. Oh, that makes sense. There's a lot. Oh, there's one door open, not a lot. We're gonna just line up right here. And hopefully this won't take forever. All right, let's go check in this office. All right, this sucks. We I need my light here. We're gonna go open the door. We've been here for over an hour and a half waiting on the door to open. My gloves on here. Open these doors up. Oh, hopefully this rain's not messing with the camera too bad, but it's coming down. Take them straps off real quick and we're gonna put her in that number 24. I've seen so many people try to climb up into the back of the trailer with both doors open. I'm like, that's the worst way to do it. Definitely leave a door open, use it for leverage. Oh, come on out of there. It moved. There we go. Glad I strapped them up. They seem to be pretty fragile, or pretty light, so they move around really easy. Open this door and then grab these straps off. Put these in the truck. Trucking, right? Rain or shine. Put those right there. That right there. We're gonna get in. Yeah, I know it's lost. All right, both doors open. Let's do this thing. Trucker's table texting me. Crikey, there she is over there. It's kind of hard to see with the rain and everything. Let's do that. There we go. Now we can actually see out the window, right? I hope y'all non-truckers actually get an idea of what this is actually like. I mean, trying to back up in the rain, I mean, there's a lot of channels out there that do all sorts of different stuff, but I feel like I try to, oh, I know I'm honest about what I'm doing and what's going on. I got a glare on the building and it's hard to see the dock bumpers. I think I'm gonna be a little too far for the right, to the right, but maybe not. Looks like we're gonna be okay. Set her back in there straight. I try to be as honest as possible about everything and show y'all like real life on the road and what sucks and what's great, what doesn't suck, whatever. The good and the bad and the ugly and the great. Oh, there we are. Oh, let's try that again. All right. Oh, we can shut all this off. Stop all this noisy stuff. And I don't know why, but he gave me back my bills. So we're gonna go take these into the door. I'm sure he's gonna want them. So let's go do that. What do you say? What do you say? I don't see a wheel chalk, so let's go inside. Oh my goodness, I'm glad I'm not wearing my tennis shoes. Well, nobody was in there, so I just left my paperwork in the window. That's what he told me to do whenever I got, man, I got a way around this. This is deep. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's a nice puddle right there. It's here too. It's raining everywhere. Oh, look at this. This is ridiculous. Anywho, we're gonna get in here and watch some of The Chosen while we wait to get unloaded. If y'all haven't seen The Chosen, Angel Studios is an app you can download. It's free, and it's all about the gospel of Christ, and it's really good. I would highly recommend it. There's 3 seasons now. They're working on the 4th season, and it's solid. Like, I cry. It's good. It's really good. That's The Chosen. I'll if I can, I'll leave a link in the bottom. I don't know if that's possible, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna watch that while I wait, guys. We're empty. We are empty. That's nice. Glad to be empty. Oh, took them 3 hours, but hey, we're here. Should have worn my gloves, but I didn't. Thank y'all for hanging out with me. Thank you for riding along. Thank you for subscribing, liking the video, all that good stuff. I appreciate y'all. I really do. Oh, until next time, guys. Let your family know you love them. Carry your weapon. You are your first responder. Give God all the glory. Praise his name, because he is holy and he is worthy of the praise. We will see you guys on the next one. Y'all be good. Love you guys.